Creating presentation using AI helps you saves a lot of time. If you wish to know how to do that, then watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to watch more videos.
And type crosspay.cloud. When you type crosspay.cloud, it will open up and take you to this site here. And you will have to go to AI generation kit. And this will show up. You have to scroll down and click on simplified. Once you click on simplified, it will take you to this side here, and you will have to sign up. Click on sign up. For my case, I will have to sign in because I already have the account. So you see this tool is here. So let's say browse template. So we'll have to pre-select the template that we will select design video. Let's select AI writer. Click on this one here and select AI writer. Once you select the AI writer, you will have something looks like this. Then you have to select explore all themes. Once you're here, you move down and click on AI presentation. Click on here. Now this place you will have to enter the topic of the presentation which you want to create. So for my case, I will create how to use AI for secondary school teachers. So that's my topic. So when I'm satisfied, if you wish to change the screen size 1:1, 16:9. So I'm choosing 16:9 and I will say generate. As you can see on the screen, it's creating my presentation. So it just takes less than a minute to create all my presentation based on the topic. So let's see, there are 11. So this is the start, this is the second, third, and move on until the last one. So you see, it's already created everything for me. So I will have to come here, and if I want to put additional text, so I can do so. Click the text here and add what here. So I will write here. Created by okay. If you wish to put some other pictures and all this, you can do so. Click here. Since this is education, I will look for something in relation to education. Maybe I'll use this one. Send backward. We'll have to format it and say send to back. So when it's sent to back, it will look like this. Here, yeah, you can do this for the second page if you wish to do so. Once this is done here, I'm happy with everything. I can export it and click on download. You can also insert an audio. Let me insert an audio for this presentation. So I'm inserting this audio. Okay, the audios are already inserted. So let me play it out. Okay, I'm happy with this. You can share it here. You can share it to a community. You can share it privately by entering the email addresses. For my case, I will just download it. So to download it here, you'll have to select whichever format. So I will select video and I say download. You can also download as PDF and also JPEG and PNG format. So this is the PowerPoint presentation that you can have. In this video, I am creating a video using this PowerPoint presentation after generating it. So you can either choose whichever format you want to download. And this is how we create a YouTube presentation or a PowerPoint presentation, all in just a minute. If you like this video, click on the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for me to present similar video. Thank you for watching.